Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do Yankee twists on my client. My client came in with this hair and I'm like, ooh girl, I have to do a review on this hair because it is beautiful. So this is just a braid pattern that I chose to do for her so that these twists can be worn versatile. She brought 2 packs. One of these packs is mixed with color 27 and 613, and the other pack is number 30. Inside each pack, you get 8 of these packs each, and 30 strands are on each of the 8 packs. And these are 100% handmade, guys. It comes with a crochet hook, and this is how it looks outside the package, and this is what they look like up close. They are really thin, they're very lightweight, and the loop is very small, but you can fit the crochet hook through very easily. And this is only 4 packs of each color, so it is a lot of hair that you do get. And this hair is $59.99 per bundle or per package on Amazon, and I'm gonna try to link the link in my description. So this is just me showing you how I'm putting it in, but now I'm gonna slow down and show you how to put it in for any beginners out there. You feed the hook through the braid, put the loop on the hook, close the hook, pull it through, open the loop and pull the hair through, twist it, pull the hair through again, and then push it down at the base to secure it, and that is about it. So guys, I'm just gonna do this one more time, and then I'm gonna go into just speeding up the video. This is a very good protective hairstyle for anybody who wants to do something to wrap all of their hair up and just get all their hair out the way. If you want your hair to start growing again and you want to give your hair a break from any of all the other styles you've been doing, this is a great style to get. Also, you can go in, you can oil your scalp, whatever you like to do. You can cleanse your scalp with sea breeze if you need to. If you feel like you need a little cleanse on your scalp, this is a great style. And I'm just really glad my client brought this hair in because I always wanted to do a review and try this hair out. So guys, this is everything after this is how it looks after I installed everything. And now I'm going in and I'm trimming off a little of the ends where it's too long because my client wants to keep her hair long. And now I'm getting ready to go in with a little bit of mousse, which is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse. As you can see, I'm at the end of that mousse. I really love this mousse. So I'm just putting it right on the ends to secure the ends where I did trim her hair up a little bit. And it just pulled all those curls right back together with no loose ends. So guys, this is the final look. My client is loving her hair. If you guys try this, let me know in the description how you like it. And thanks for watching, guys.